today we're going to make a vlog video feeding of 5 stray dogs specifically for our project in our major subject, which is introduction to psychology. So shout out to my prof. I'm really sorry for the late submission. I just really lost my phone, but babawi, and I really hope I'll be able to make it to your consideration. And yeah, see you guys in a little bit, and we're going to buy dog foods now. Bye! So ayun guys, already on the way na tayo to buy the dog foods na gagamitin natin later. So I'm with my brother. Say hello to my vlog. And quick disclosure lang guys, dapat po supposedly ang project na to is 5 days with one feeding of 1 stray dog each day. However, sinaside nga po my work and busy, pagsasabayin ko na lang po siya. So ayun, on the way na tayo, lapit na. Guys, nakabili na tayo ng dog food. Tapos we're going to buy maybe some of the parang mga nasa little sachets na mga parang whiskas ng pusa. Titin ako kung mayroong ganun for dog. Okay. Bye! So guys, wala tayong nabili. Wala daw ganun sa dog. So plain lang na dog food ang ipapakain natin sa kanila. So I hope na magustuhan nila. Bye-bye! So, hello guys! Nakauwi na tayo. Ito yung nabili nating dog food. So, papart na natin siya into 5. So, para sakto yung mabibigay natin later sa mga dogs. Hi guys, so ayun, yan na po, maghahanap na po kami ng stray dogs. Hi, mag-hi ka tita sa vlog ko. So ayun, update ko na lang. Hi. Chuchu. First dog done. Ayun po siya. Ayun guys, on the way na tayo for the second dog. Ay, welcome to my vlog. Tapos pawis na po kami. I'm so hungry na. Pero go pa din. For the hunting ng dogs. So, I'll update you guys. Bye! May nakikita na po kaming dogs. Dog lang, isa lang. So, ayun. I hope mapakain namin siya. So this is, so kung matutuloy, second dog. So ayun. Next dog. Okay, where's the dog? Ito na ba siya? Ayan. Down to our last dog. Naka-ready na. So, ayun guys, gabi na po. We're done to the 5th dog. And, yeah. Thank you so much for watching.